Time to jump in, first time of the year. Refreshing. Got a couple of new products for the pool. This is the Aiper products. This is a solar powered skimmer basket, and as you can see, it's spinning there, and it uses its own little jet propulsion in the back. See little jets down there? It's a little ways from me in the pool here, but it's solar powered and it just goes, it runs. I've got it on eco mode and it goes 3 hours on, 3 hours off. And then the other part of it is the bottom piece, and you can buy these separately, but it's doing a great job. It does the walls, the water line, and the bottom, and you can set it to different modes. And the filtration on it's really good. Just like this skimmer, it's really good. It has a huge storage compartment. But yeah, we'll take a closer look at these. All right, we're going to put the bottom feeder in here. See the cameras on the front, the sensors. Really cool. So I'm going to power it on. And I'm going to select bottom. See that's lit up. And I'm going to put it in.
We've been treading this water, trying to stay afloat. Waking up's getting harder, reaching for the end of the road. But the tide is shifting, ceilings break, something different's on its way. Oh, keep your heart, we're not far, we don't have forever to go. Can you feel it? Can you see it? Changing, even if it's feeling dark and heavy now. Baby, hold on till the light comes. We're so close, I can taste it. 'Cause the sun is pushing all the shadows out. It's changing. Century, the kind of hope cutting through the noise. 'Cause the tide is shifting, ceilings break, something different.
All right, got the robot out of the water here. Take a look at this. This little jet helps it to stay against the wall when it's going up the sides. It's pretty cool. This is the cartridge right here. It comes out pretty slick, pretty easy. It's got the camera on the front, sensors. It looks for dirt and finds it and goes after it. Pretty cool. Nice tracks on it. But let's open up the cartridge. Cartridge opens pretty easy. As you can see, it's got a nice filter in it. It picks up a lot of fine particulate. And the nice part about the solar one is it's getting a lot of the stuff off the top before it gets to the bottom. So this whole piece comes right out like this, and then you can rinse both of them, spray them off with a hose, and you can see it's a big cartridge. So I'm going to wash this off and get it back in the pool. Well, it took me all of about 2 minutes to spray this off, and with the hose nice and clean. And go put it back in the cartridge here. I spray that out. You can see, nice and clean. So just pick this up, drop it in, shut the lid.
We've been treading this water. can I stay afloat? Waking up's getting harder, reaching for the end of the road. But the tide is shifting, ceilings break, something different's on its way. Oh, keep your heart, we're not far, we don't have forever to go. Can you feel it? Can you see it? I think it's all changing, even if it's feeling dark and heavy now. Baby, hold on till the light comes. We're so close, I can taste it. 'Cause the sun...
So the product comes with this little hook, and that's there in case the unit dies or doesn't travel back to its starting position. You can hook it with the hook, and I use it to grab both units out of the water. The underwater unit comes back to where you pop it in, and you can reach down and grab it, or if it's too deep, you just hook it with the hook and lift it up. So the hook's a pretty cool little deal. I'll give you an idea here since this is so close. You just sort of put it underneath here, and now I'm hooked, and I can pull it out of the water. Okay, I've pulled this out of the pool and wanted to show you a little bit up close here. So there's the cartridge, it's right there. These little wheels help it bounce around the ladder. Big filter. It also has a little chlorine dispenser on the bottom. But you can see the little propulsion engines there on both sides. Super cool. And it does its own thing. It sort of kicks on the gas when it needs to. But let me show you how this comes out. So you just grab this, pull it out like that. That's the inside. This just sort of, well, let's see if I can do this with one hand. You just sort of release this button here and then lift it open like that. And there you go. So it does a really good job at filtration. Gets bugs, sticks. We had all these seed pods, which are a pain in the ass. And there's the chlorine dispenser that just pops open, and you put a chlorine tab in there, and away you go. But really super simple idea. The solar just lasts and lasts and lasts. Like I said, I haven't had to put it on the charger. It fits back in like this. There you go. And you can push the power button and then plop it back in the pool. There you go. There she goes. The product comes with this charging station. This is for the underwater unit. The charging station plugs into 110 and goes about, I don't know, 5 hours maybe on a charge, which is plenty. And then the solar unit came with this auxiliary plug as well, which I've not used since we've owned it. And I think we've had this now for 2 weeks. And it's working great. I'm super impressed, especially with that solar skimmer. And you can buy that separately. You don't have to buy them as a pair. I did, just because I was in the need of a whole new system. But it does a really good job. And it doesn't take long to charge. And there's an app for this, so it's all app controllable. The solar unit you can drive with the app, so it's pretty cool. The underwater unit loses its Wi-Fi once it goes underwater, but you can set it up while it's on top with your phone and then just drop it in. Or you can program it with buttons on the top. But pretty cool. Okay, so after all that, what are my thoughts on the product? The Aries product is stellar. I like the dual combo. That solar surfer out there just doing its thing. Again, still haven't put it on the charger. I think that's a great concept. I empty it once a day maybe. Now that the pool sort of cleaned up and the pods aren't falling, not cleaning it that often, but it just goes and goes and goes, and really low maintenance. As far as the underwater unit, I put it on skimmer the other night, and it cleaned the walls all the way around. Checked it out on my security cameras, and it just went to town, and the pool is clean. So all in all, my review on this is I give it probably an 8 out of 10. And the reason I would give it an 8 is maybe, and I'm not sure about the exact battery length, but I throw it in for 5 hours, pull it out, and it's fine. I think it can go a little longer than that. I just haven't tested that all the way. But if it went even longer, that's great. I would like to see a little temperature gauge that's wireless that I could connect to my phone. That would be sort of cool to see what the water temp is. Maybe just a little tip for them. But if you need a pool cleaner, a little robot device, I would highly recommend it. I've had others in the past, and this thing just kills it. So I think the solar unit is about 300 some bucks by itself. I bought both of them at the same time, and I think I paid $1,200. So, right in the range of all the other cleaners, on the mid-range, not the low and not the super high, but on the mid-range. And it gets some pretty good reviews online, and it gets good reviews from me. So with that, I'll wrap this video up by saying I would buy this again, and I would recommend it. So again, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.